Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's application, website Dashboard Ninja. In this video, we will understand a very important feature of this application, which is all data in one place. So definitely, as the name suggests, we can add as many number of dashboard snippets onto the website page, and we definitely can add all of the dashboards as well. Just to demonstrate this, I have already added my dashboard data over this. As you can see the dashboard. Once I scroll down, I can find one more dashboard at the bottom, which is the CRM dashboard. I will be showing you. As you can see, CRM dashboard is also added here. Now I'll show you how can I add one more dashboard over it. Let's say I will go to edit button. I will drag and drop the snippet from here. I'll leave it here. I can choose a different dashboard. I'll choose inventory. I'll choose all data and I'll save this. And I'll save this as well. So now you can see inventory dashboard has come on the top, right? Let's wait it to load. So now we can see inventory dashboard has come over the top, and below it we can find my dashboard and so on. So this way we can organize all the data that we have, all the dashboards we have into a place, right? Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help. For any further queries or questions, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com.